Good morning, boys and girls watching, and good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mrs. Stewart.
Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. I'm so glad you came to school. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, Mrs. Stewart.
Good morning, Mrs. Stewart. I'm so glad you came to school. Good morning, Mrs. Stewart.
Well, I'm very glad that I came to school, and I'm glad that you're here with us. Turn and face your friends, and let's say good morning to them. Good morning to our friends. Good morning to our friends. I'm so glad you came to school. Good morning to our friends. Nice job. You may be seated. Wow, we are off to a great start, and I have some fun things to share with you. Look at all of this stuff right here. Whoa, do you see this table full of things right here? Wow, look right here. I want to show you, do you see this big puppy right here? It is big, isn't it? And look right here. It's a little puppy, isn't it? We have a big puppy and a little puppy, but I want to show you something right here. Let me show you my cards right here. Are you ready? This right here. This is, let me show you. Oh, there it is. What is that? An elephant. Is an elephant a big animal or a small animal? A big elephant. A big animal. How about this?
A mouse.
It's a mouse. Is a mouse a big animal or a small animal? A small animal. Now we just looked at our puppy. This puppy is a what? Is what? Big. And this puppy was little or small. Small. So we could say it's small or little, or we can say it is big. It's big or large. So we're saying this is big or large. So this one is big and this one is small. What is this one? Big. And what is this one? Small. Good. Let's look at some other things that are right here on my table right here. Look right here. Now, what is this? A basketball. It's a green basketball. Now, you might look at that and say, well, it's kind of small, because usually when you see a basketball, it's about this big, isn't it? And you can go play basketball, and it's usually around this big. But this one's kind of small. But what if I showed you this one?
Tiny.
It is. It's even smaller, isn't it? So that makes this one big, doesn't it? So this one is big. And this one is small. So this is big and this is small. Now, let's look at this. Let me see. Kayla, come see Mrs. Stewart. Now, Kayla, she is tall, isn't she? But when she stands next to Mrs. Stewart, she looks what? She does. She looks small, but she is a big, tall girl, because she's getting so big and so tall. And probably, Kayla, when you get big like my age, you're going to be even taller than me, and I'm going to look up at you like this, because Mrs. Stewart has stopped growing. This is as tall as Mrs. Stewart's going to be, but you're almost as tall as me now. So you're going to be really tall. Her mommy and daddy are tall, so she's probably going to be tall too. But when she stands next to Mrs. Stewart, she looks what? Little or small, doesn't she? Now let me show you this. Let's see. Catherine, come see Mrs. Stewart. Catherine, come stand next to Kayla. Now, they're almost the same size, but who's bigger, Kayla or Catherine? Kayla. Catherine's just a little bit smaller, but when they stand next to Mrs. Stewart, what are they both? Small. They're small. Good job, guys. I love it. Thank you. You may be seated. Now I got some more fun things right here. Look at this. What is this? An apple. It is. It's an apple. And what is is it big or small?
Big.
It is. It's big. But look at this one.
Small.
It is small. Look at it. So this one is the big one, and this one is the small one. This is the kind you would want to eat. This is the kind you could cuddle. What is this? A cow. But when I put it next to this cow, is it big or small?
Small.
It is. It is small. And this one is?
Big.
It is. It's big. So this is the big one, and this is the small one. Now, big and small, do you know what those are?
Opposite.
They are. They're opposites. That means they're different. They're opposites. Let's think about some other opposites that we've talked about before. If I said open, what is the opposite of open? Shut or closed. Good job. That's one. If I said boy, what's the opposite of boy?
Girl.
Girl. If I said hot, what's the opposite of hot?
Cold.
Cold, good. And opposite of big is?
Little.
Is small. That's right. Oh, look at this.
Oh, warrior.
Oh, well, it's a shark. What is this? It's a shark. A little shark. So this one is the
Big shark.
big one, and this one is the?
Little shark.
And these are what? These are?
Opposite.
They are opposites. That's right. Because big and small, those are opposites. Let's see. Let me see. If I had a glass of a milkshake and my cup was this big, or I had a milkshake and my cup was this big, which one would you want? The big one or the smaller one?
Big one.
The big one. That's the one you would want to drink out of, wouldn't you? I would want the bigger one. Oh, it would be so delicious. I love milkshakes. What if I had an ice cream cone and I had one in this hand and it had 1 scoop, and one in this hand and it had 2 scoops? Which one's the bigger one?
2.
The 2 scoops. That's right. So this one is big and this one is?
Small.
Is small. That's right. And those are called?
Opposite.
Those are called opposites. Oh, it is so fun to learn about opposites. You can do this at your house, boys and girls watching. You can look at things at your house and find things that are big and things that are small. And those are called what?
Opposite.
Those are called opposites. Oh, this was fun today. Maybe you can find things at your house too. We can look around our classroom and find some more things that are opposites that we can learn.